So we're finishing up the Murphy bed build, and in case you missed any episode of the Murphy bed build, click the link. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to build the easiest cabinet doors ever. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Cut your stock. How long to cut your stock? Well, that depends on the size doors you need. Step 2. Cut a groove to receive the panel. You notice here that I'm running it through twice because I have 1/4 inch plywood and an 1/8 of an inch blade. Step 3. Drill pocket holes. Personally, I just love my Kreg pocket hole jig. Step 4. Cut your flat panels. Step 5. Glue and screw 2 of the corners. Step 6. Insert the panel. Step 7. Glue and screw the remaining 2 corners. Now it's time to paint your cabinet doors. Step 9. Drill hinge holes for concealment hinges. I gotta tell you, I love the Kreg Jig concealment hinge jig. If you want to see the complete how-to, click the link above. Step 10. Mount your hinges to the doors. You want to get both started before you tighten them down. And step 11, attach the door and hinge to the face frame. Lastly, perform any hinge adjustments or door adjustments as needed. We didn't need to. For additional videos on the Kreg Jig system, click the video on your screen now.